Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So as we have already completed few of our Agentblazer Legend series, so today we are going to take up a module called Deploy Agent Authentication. So all these videos will be available under a playlist called Agentblazer Legend. Do check that so that you don't have to search for any of the videos to go back here and there. So all are available under single playlist in our channel. And then for this we have to fill this particular form, which is developer edition org. So we have to connect the org. So once if it is done, we have to connect that particular org in our playground. And as I have already completed that step, I'm going to just click on launch. So once it is launched, search for user and click on users. So guys, here you will find a user called Einstein Service Agent User. Just click on edit, and after clicking edit, make sure to provide your email in this box. So once if it is done, click on save. So this is all about this challenge. Let me verify the step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. Remaining two challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye, and do not forget to subscribe.